Welcome to Ecom Pathfinder. Jeff here. Today, we're going to talk about Gamma.app, how you can use it for basically whatever you want. Let's get started. Gamma.app. It is really cool. Yes, I will start right away. I am affiliated with them. I will make a small commission at no extra charge to you if you decide to sign up for a paid plan. However, they do have free plans. I will leave my link down in the description. Do you want a website for your business, for your personal brand, or just to make one? Gamma can help with that. Do you want to make digital products that you can then turn around and sell on Etsy, on Stripe, or on your own personal website? You can make them here too. Canva's great. I love Canva. I pay for Canva Pro. I'm not affiliated with Canva yet. And I'm a Canva guy. We use Canva to make a lot of our designs for our Etsy store. I use Canva to make a lot of my digital products for our Etsy store as well. I'll leave the link to the Etsy store down in the down in the description as well. Go buy something. But Gamma is pretty freaking sweet. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you. Let me pop on over my screen share. So I'm going to show you guys my site. Okay, one of my sites. Okay, this one is for my Ecom Pathfinder one. I'm just going to go to the live site. So this is a live working site. Okay, you can actually join my mailing list. It gives you some insights about what we believe in, right? Our focus, what we focus on. Gives you a link to our blog. Okay, you can even house your blog in here if you wanted. I link out to mine. That's really up to you. So if you click on this, right, it's going to take you to our blog on Beehive. Pretty cool, right? Some tools for success. We give away free tools here. Some social medias, our YouTube channel here. Just a link to one of the videos, right? You can click on it and channel. Link to our Pinterest account, our Facebook account. I did my socials like this just to give a little preview, right? There's other ways you can do it as well. Affiliate marketing opportunities, right? Joining our network, promoting quality products, and commissions. Yes, we do commissions. And I'm starting to add some links there as well to our affiliate links. If you just want to go here to click on them, visit the affiliate link, check out the product, and purchase the product from there. This is how we did our website. It's clean, it's nice looking. You can add whatever images you want. You can even do it through AI. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. But I'm not going to do a website. Okay, I wanted to try something else today because I've never done it before. So I'm going to try something new with you guys today. I'm going to click on Create New AI. And the free plan gives you credits. Okay, you get credits to use, and the credits are for AI, not for creating sites or creating projects. The credits are for AI. So if you're importing your own images, that doesn't use credits. Okay, so just think about that. So I'm gonna click on Create New, and it gives you options. Okay, you can paste in your own text. You can generate from a one-line prompt. That's what we're gonna do. See the last used. Okay, that's how I made that last website. Okay, and then I went in and refined. Okay, um, and you can import a file or a URL that has existing docs, presentations, web pages. Okay, I'm gonna click on generate. Okay, and I want to do a presentation because you can then download the presentation as a PDF and either do a freebie, right, like a freebie giveaway for someone joining your mailing list or whatever, right? Or you could sell it as a digital product. Okay. So I'm going to keep it 8 cards. You can do more cards. Now, when you get into 15 or more cards or sections of your presentation, this is when you get into the paid plan. Okay. Just to let you know that. Okay. Default, traditional, or tall. Okay. So the default is more of a fluid one. It kind of makes the decisions for you. You can change it. Traditional is like a 16 by 9, like a PowerPoint presentation type thing, and a tall is like a running presentation newsletter type thing. The 4 by 3. Okay, but we're gonna leave it on default. Okay, you can change languages. Okay, so if you are in other countries, or if you want to have an English and different language versions of the same presentation, you can do that as well. You just have to do it more than once. Okay. So what do we want to make here? Let's do a presentation on how to use a website to drive sales to your e-commerce business. So we're going to make a presentation on how to use a website to drive sales to your e-commerce business. I would probably use this as a freebie giveaway, or I might even sell it as part of a package. Okay. And I'm just going to click on generate online, and we're going to do this in real time. I'm not going to skip ahead. I'm not going to pause or anything. It's giving you the outline. The driving traffic gives you the role of the website, optimizing SEO, personalization, UX design, social proof, user generated content. Look at that. There's our 8 cards. And then you can come down here and choose the theme. There is more themes. Okay. Let's click on view more. Let's pick something I haven't picked before. I like this red and black. Look at that. It gives you that. Actually looks pretty sick. Let's go with that red and black. You can select the theme. The content. Okay. Check this out. Content. You can do brief, medium, or detailed. Medium is the default. Okay. Again, this is gonna get like it's gonna spit out content for you. It is your responsibility as the owner of this product, right? Whether you're gonna give it away or sell it, to double check it and verify it. Okay, yes, we are using AI. Okay, but you want to make sure it's accurate information, right? Image sources, you can do AI. It can automatically select the best. I'm gonna leave it on AI, but there are other options. You can even add placeholders where it gives you empty spaces and you can go back and add the image later. I'm going to leave it on AI. Optional, you can describe the image style. And I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to add anything to that because I want to see what it pops out with. And you can even choose the image model. Some of these cost. Okay? Some of these cost. So once we get down to the advanced mode or the advanced models and the premium models, then it's going to cost. And some of these are higher end. I would argue some of them are not higher than the others. Right? Like Flux is good. Flux is good. I'm a Flux fan. I love Leonardo da Vinci. I'm a big fan of Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo.ai. For images. A lot of my blogs, I make my images using Leonardo. And I know my artists out there are going to freak out. Well, why are you using AI to make art? How do you think the AI got the art? From you artists out there that train the models. Come on now. But I'm just going to leave everything alone. You can go to advanced mode. There are advanced sections here once it loads. And you can literally tell it who to write for. Businesses, college students. You can give it the tone, right? If you want it to be a little bit easier to understand, high schoolers, right? There's a lot of good stuff that you hear, right? To make something really, really professional, not just looking. Oh, it got rid of it. I went back. No. Hold on, did it save it? Oh, it did. Oh, good. Ha! But not just good looking, like me and you, right? But also professional sounding. Whatever it is you're creating. So I'm going to hit continue. I've got my theme, and I'm going to hit generate. Let's do it. Let's see what this thing spits out for us. Again, I am doing this in real time with you. And remember, this is a presentation. Look at that. My hands are here. I am typing nothing. It's going to give us our 8 slides, our 8 pages. Still creating some of the images. Look at that. How clean does that look? How clean does that look? It's pretty sick, right? And you could actually click on each of these sections. You could edit, you could change the pictures, you could add your own branded pictures if you like these, because obviously these were AI generated, right? You could change the theme, okay? You could share the link with someone because it is a presentation. You could add more pages up to a certain point, okay? You could add more content, you could take away content. Uh, I would recommend reviewing the statistics, especially that it's putting in here. But this right here is incredible. Okay. So now you have a presentation. So once you're done editing, you can go up here and you can export it as a PDF, right? You literally click on export. It's on the top right hand corner for those slide this out of the way. Actually, you guys can't see it. Whatever. There's an export button that you guys can you export it as a PDF or a document, however you're going to do it. And then you could add it to your website, whether it's on Etsy, whether it's on beacons.ai, if you're selling it on Linktree or Stripe, or however you're doing it, okay? Or on your own website, okay? Or system.io. There's so many where you could sell digital products. I'm getting more into digital products. I love them. But this is absolutely incredible. I might use this as a freebie. I'd probably change some of the pictures and once I research and verify the information. But that, my friends, is gamma.app. I will leave the link in the description for my affiliate link. If you choose to use any of the paid plans, you do get a discount. I believe it's 20%. Okay. And then I get a percentage, but you do not pay extra for my cut. They pay me to promote. But there is a free version. Okay, I want to be clear about that. There is a free version. And this is just one thing it can. Again, you could import all of your own images. You could add them later. You can make websites with this. Now, the websites, you cannot add e-commerce stores. I want to be clear about that because I know that'll be the first question in the comments. Cannot add e-commerce stores to the websites. They're just basic websites that you link out to other things, but it's very professional looking, right? Um, it looks good. I know that if I were to click on one of those, I'd be like, okay, this looks nice. They took some time. So that, my friends, is gamma.app, brought to you by me, your ecom pathfinder, Jeff. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think about down in the comments. What would you use this for? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? It's okay to spark that conversation respectfully. Let me know what other types of products you guys want me to look at and review next. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take it easy.